In this module, we'll walk through how to enter a client's living expenses. Accurate living expenses are essential for responsible lending and help lenders assess the applicant's true financial position. Navigating to the Living Expenses section. From within the client's file, select Living Expenses from the left-hand menu. This will open the Expenses Summary screen, where you can begin entering the applicant's monthly household spending. Salestrekker 2.0 uses a standard set of expense categories that align with lender requirements. These categories include groceries, clothing and personal care, phone, internet and subscriptions, pet care, education, recreation and entertainment, transport, medical and health insurance, childcare, other recurring expenses. Each category should reflect the applicant's actual monthly spending. Living expenses are generally recorded at the household level, not per applicant. This means you only enter each expense once, even if there are multiple applicants living together. If the applicant has no spending in a particular category, you can leave it as 0. Cross-checking with bank statements. Where possible, verify the applicant's expenses using bank statements or budgeting tools. This ensures the figures are realistic and consistent with lender expectations. You'll notice that primary residence running costs, body corporate fees, and investment property running costs cannot be added or edited from this section. This is because these costs are already captured in the assets. HEM comparison. As you enter expenses, Salestrekker will compare the applicant's declared spending against the Household Expenditure Measure, or HEM. If the declared expenses fall below the benchmark, lenders may require additional explanation or supporting documents. Other or irregular expenses. For any expenses that don't fit a standard category, use the Other section and provide a clear description. Once all expenses have been entered, review the totals to ensure they accurately reflect the applicant's lifestyle and financial commitments. When you're satisfied, select Save at the bottom of the page.